What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back home. So, what is going on in crypto is the number one question. I'm getting texts by a lot of my friends, family, and I want to go over everything. And if you stay tuned, watch this video, I promise you will get rid of the fear that you're having if you're worried right now about this dip and pullbacks that we're having on, every coin basically. So I want to start off by talking about the DXY, the US dollar. This is very, very, very important because actually this is now support. So let's change this to green. The dollar is um you know, the catalyst. Everything is pegged against the dollar. Um, Excuse me. Unless you are in Europe or something, you can trade Bitcoin slash Euro. But in the end, the US dollar moves the markets. It is the factor. It is the deciding factor for stocks, crypto, gold, commodities, oil, the list goes on and on. I mean, I can show you all these forex pairs: AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD. I don't trade anything that's not pegged to the dollar. I mean, I know a lot of forex traders that trade certain currencies that are like, Euro to the GBP and GBP. I mean, actually, I do. I have traded GBP JPY. So Great British Pound to the Japanese yen. But we're talking about crypto. I already know that. I just want to make sure you guys fully understand the power behind the DXY and understanding what's going on with the US dollar because everything is correlated with the US dollar. So here we go. All right. So right now, ever since November, well, I guess the end of September, the the dollar's just been going up and up. But I was gonna say the elections was also a catalyst for the dollar itself. Trump winning raised the dollar. But the other thing too is the Fed and the interest rates and the bonds, and there's so many different factors that come in to the US dollar, and so much data and so much different news events. Right here, like this week, I wanted to see what we got. And this is a great website, forexfactory.com. Go up here and click on calendar. You could filter out every other currency and just do US dollar. Anything that's orange or red is stuff that will move the market. These happened today. They weren't like super powerful catalysts. You know what I mean? Let me show you one that unemployment claims that can be important. That's on Thursday. I mean, obviously it's Christmas, so this week's gonna be very slow. I remember my first time trading forex or anything during the Christmas week. I was expecting a lot more, I think, but you gotta remember that a lot of these banks and a lot of everything's closed down. Wall Street's gonna be closed down. We do got, today and then tomorrow's Christmas Eve, but that's really a bank holiday. So it's like there's really nothing, I guess until Thursday, but even that's gonna be it's the day after Christmas. It's not gonna be much going on. But um the following week we do have manufacturing PMI, unemployment, and PMI. Yeah, because then you got New Year's, so it's gonna be a slow couple weeks. I don't think we're gonna get a ton of action until after New Year's. But let's just go ahead and look. Oh, that's gold. I'm sorry. here's Bitcoin. We are finally in that support zone. I did enter here, I'm not gonna lie, 94, but I knew deep down, and this is something that I mean, even I can struggle with at times, is really waiting for those key moments that your gut's telling you this is a better buy here than where I bought up here. We were starting to see some movement. Okay, so in my defense, I saw this, it came back, and I got in about here. So, you know, it was something like that. And I think my stop loss is, I don't know, that's about right. 91.7. So we will see what happens. But I'm telling you right now, my gut was telling me to wait for this. And I don't think we got enough buying pressure to really do anything. I think people are just going to be selling off. Solana, on the other hand, is starting to kind of wake up. It's just a weird kind of spot, but right here would have been actually a decent buy. I caught here, and we're seeing what's going to happen, but honest to God, I might just close these out, honestly, just because I just don't see any buying pressure. I really don't. I don't see anything really happening today, but it is what it is. We are gonna wait and see. I don't know. I could close Solana and it would cover my loss on Bitcoin, but I'm kind of just hanging on by a thread. I don't know. It is 11:04, 1 o'clock Eastern, so, or 2 o'clock Eastern. Sorry. So I mean, we're getting to the close of the day, and we're getting close to it. Radium actually is running better. It's up 7.8% today. This would have been a great short because it made equal highs and drops immediately. I mean, this could play out right there. Boom. Yeah, that's probably gonna drop. I didn't see it. I didn't catch it. Telling you right now, one of my mentors, shout out to John, called out Orca down here at 320. Boom, hit 8.7. And I didn't get in it, but now I'm looking at it like this is the zone. I mean, this is literally the zone. And do I see it breaking this? I don't know. That's some serious support right there. It really is. So we're gonna wait and see. I personally, long term, just yesterday bought more Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin. But I'm looking at Orca for not only leverage, but also some long term holding. Orca and Radium are both big exchanges, decentralized exchanges on Solana, just like Jupiter. Jupiter is a great buy also. I hold a good amount of Jupiter. But you're seeing some of these Ethereum. Man, that was a good trade. We need to get back to this. Called that one out on the channel, but I don't know. I don't think enough of you. I really wonder if anyone even took it or saw it, to be honest. But trying to build up followers and subscribers right now, so you guys can get this information. Also, Uniswap, I believe, is going to do some really good numbers, mainly because the SEC douchebag Gary Gensler is finally going to be gone because Trump's going to fire his ass. Well, he's going to resign, like I told you in my other video, but really he's getting fired. Also, forgot to mention that I think Chainlink is going to do amazing. Was just one thing I was going to say. I think a lot of these protocols, or a lot of these coins and projects are going to do really well. Not only for Trump winning, but that the Gary Gensler guy getting booted, or resigning, but really getting booted out. Because he was just, him and the Democrats were just, they were pushing everything down so much. I mean, they were heavily influencing a bunch of BS. But let's look at XRP. It's failed. It's been a rough week. It's been a very, very, very rough week in crypto. This could have been a great buy, to be honest. And if we can get down into the support again, I think it could be a great opportunity still, if we can get down there. Because the thing is let's go to the daily, okay? Let's go to the daily. Let's go back to Bitcoin. If you look at everything, and this is what I was saying at the start of the video, if we just look at it and zoom out, the fear can go away. Because if you really zoom out on the daily, we're really crying about this. I mean, I know some of the altcoins got hit more, but really it's not that bad. Like, we survived this one. Oh yeah, how can we forget this one? Let's see. This was July 29th. That was down to 50,000. That was a good almost 30%. So it's really 14%. It's not that bad. And this is crypto. I mean, this is very, very, very normal and also healthy for the market. It can't just go up and up and up and up and up and never go down. I mean, tell me where that happens anywhere. I mean, you go to the SPX, same stuff, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. This is healthy behavior, healthy markets, just flowing. But the SPX, if you would have gotten in October 22, you'd be up 76%. Okay, what was it? Let me see again. October 22. If you got into Bitcoin October 22. October 22. Oh wow. Actually, it's about the same, 75%. Oh, that's gold. Wow. I am still early. I was gonna say it don't seem right. Sorry about that. Okay. October 22. 664%. That sounds a lot more normal. Wow. Okay, so this is a little bit uglier chart to look at. So this is where we're at. Go to Ethereum. Same thing. We're on some pullbacks. Let me get rid of this box for you guys. Same thing, man. We're on a decent little pullback, but look at I want you to notice that on all these coins, we're in solid support zones. I mean, not only just my marking up, but also the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts indicator. It will box up good resistance and support zones. The blue, obviously support, resistance on the red. I keep it on sometimes, but obviously I know where the support and the resistance is, but hey, it'll save me a little time instead of boxing it up myself, because I like boxing the roof and the ceiling and the roof. The ceiling and the floor, I mean. And I mean, honestly, God, this would have been a great buy right there on Ethereum on the daily. And I think Ethereum, honestly, is sitting a little bit better than, if you look at Solana, it's in a weird spot. I'm not gonna lie. But keep in mind that Solana ran more than a lot of coins, right? Because if you go October 2022, and this is back when I was buying Solana, I started buying it here at $10 to $20 a coin. I believed in it and I knew it would do this. It really did. So it was gonna go November. Same shit. 2000%. 2100%. The low to the high from October 2022, where we were looking at the SPX and Bitcoin. You're up over 2000%. And I still think it's gonna go anywhere from 500 to 800 to $1,000 a coin this bull run. I really do. But it is in a little bit of a tougher spot. I would have liked to see it come down into here rather than into here, but it is what it is. It's actually running better. Dude, Radium's up 9% now. It's not stopping. It might break that resistance. So, and everything, right now, everything needs to break above. Oh shit, Solana's going. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's going. A little bit, but it's going. It's what we needed. But we need everything to break this resistance. I mean, that's really, we have to break above all this. I mean, really, we need to break, like, for Solana, we need to break above here, like the 200. We got to break above that to get out of this, to get a real indication that we're going to move higher. And I know taking a trade here and taking a trade here is risky, okay? I'm not saying that's why I didn't even call it out or anything. This is just, I'm trying to keep the channel and also what I post on my actual education groups and my Discord groups and all that I post trades on with other people in my team. I'm a lot more careful on what I post for you guys. If you go back through all my videos since I started this channel, you know, a month ago or a few weeks ago, whatever it was, I'm still, I don't know, roughly now it'd probably be like 13 wins, 3 losses that I've called on the videos, because I don't, and I've taken other trades besides that lost. So I'm never gonna BS you guys. I'm always gonna be straight up and honest, and I'm always gonna put out Polka. I'm always gonna put out trades that are a lot more safe. Alright? I want to make sure you guys make money. If you're taking my trades, I want to make sure you guys are gonna win. So, anyways, back to Stewie. In a weird spot. If it continues to climb and break above from here, it's really in a weird spot, but it, you know, this is what happens sometimes. Let's just go from here to here. And you can see it is almost hit the 382. And look at that. Lux Algo made this support now because it's breaking above. Look at that. It's also calling out change this right here, CHOCH, change of channel, meaning it's switching gears. It broke above the resistance, or here it broke below the support, so it changed the channel. You can also just call it BOS, break of structure, same thing. But XRP, everything, while we're recording, looks like everything's waking up a little bit. But I'm just not convinced yet. I mean, for one, end of day, you know, 2 days before Christmas, end of day, markets are closing. Uniswap really needs to break above this trend line. That's a really big key factor for it. Caspa, yeah, let's see. I've been gone for 4 days on vacation. I came back and I'll put trade ideas, longs or shorts, whatever, on my charts. It doesn't always necessarily mean I took the trade. I'll put them on there, and I tell you guys which ones I took. Like, I remember I told you guys I took this one, and I even told you guys about this one. This one clearly demolished, or not, it killed it. Um, and I'm still big firm believer in Caspa. Go look at the short video I posted yesterday or 2 days ago. Um, I was going through my old TikTok, and which I want to start posting on TikTok and Instagram more and YouTube too. I obviously need to do more shorts to just get more activity going, more views, more subscribers. The shorts really do bring in more attention. But anyways, go look at the short, hit like, comment, please. I appreciate it. But on there, I put a clip when was calling out Caspa back in 2023 or 2022 under a penny. And I mean, this thing shot up to 19 cents already. Right now it's hovering almost at 12 cents again. But I was just showing that I wish I would have been more active on content and posting stuff, because I was calling, like this one, WorldCoin, I was calling this out way down here at $1, and it hit 12 bucks. And hold on, it's waking up again. I called it, sorry, way over here in 2023, and it hit 12 bucks, and it came all the way back down to here, but it's starting to wake up, and it broke here on the daily. And I still hold some. I did get rid of some at $12, obviously, but anyways. Other than that, I mean, Aerodrome. I love Aerodrome. Fetch AI. Been in this real early too. Ton. The Filecoin, a lot of guys on my team really like Filecoin. I personally don't hold any. It's just I put my money in other things. Holy, are you serious? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Like I was just telling you, some of these Ethereum projects are gonna really be waking up, because that guy in the SEC's gone. Wow. Ethereum's running today. Look at that. Ave's up 12% for the day. But wow, I wish I would have gone into Ave on a trade today, because wow, if I would have seen this, I would have came back on the pullback. But here's the thing: is on here, it didn't even break above this. It did break above this. I'll give it that, but it clearly wanted to come down when it hit here. So that's where it gets iffy, but it obviously is breaking, and it might break above 380. Wow. It's running. We missed that one for sure. But there's always another wave. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. We're going to be just fine. Render is in a pretty good spot. I actually like that. I do. I like where render's at. And it could actually run from here. It could. Hmm. I want to see it break. I'm letting things kind of just show me what they want to do right now, because I just need to make sure. I took some hits last week, just like everybody. I mean, my hits weren't as bad as some of my friends that, I mean, I don't need to put their business out there, even though I'm not saying no names, but yeah, we're talking pretty large trades got just wiped out of the market so quickly. Made my losses feel better, I'll say that at least. Made me feel a little bit better about my losses. Curve and FTM. see here. Mobile's waking up a little bit, not really. Ape. Someone on my team called out Ape the other day. Now, the meme coins. Let's talk about the meme coins. These took the biggest hits. They took some hard hits. Like gut wrenching hits, some of them. GME's looking okay. GME's looking okay. Peanut took a large hit. See, SPX. It's an Ethereum meme coin. Dude, it didn't even really get that hit hard. It didn't even get hit that hard, so. Pepe came all the way down here, whipped all the way down to there. Supra Dog with Hat has been taking a major blow. Chill Guy, have you guys even? Chill Guy is not that chill right now. Chill Guy is going through some things. Let me get, that's a perpetual contract, meaning the leverage. Let me just show you this. Let's try this one. I'm just curious. No, it's no different. God. Yeah, that one took a major hit, dude. That one's not looking too good. Where we at? Yeah, that is. I'm not in Chill Guy, so I'm not tripping. But ooh-wee. Bonk. I'm a big Bonk fan and holder, but that one took a major blow. Mother took a. Wow, Mother's in a really good buying opportunity right now. Wow. And it's crazy. Oh, wow, actually. Makes sense now. Watch this, watch this. So this guy is a big meme coin trader on Solana. And today he called out. Weird. How come I can't see it? Islands? Guess not. Well, anyways, he called out his top picks or something. And whatever. It's all good. So Mother was on that list that he called out, and I was kind of thinking to myself, like, I don't know. I'd buy some more quality token. He's a meme coin trader, though. You know what I mean? That's his gig. He believes in meme coins, and obviously he's made a lot of money in it, so I'm not knocking it at all. Daddy also in a pretty good position. I don't know. I'm not saying go buy these. And I'm kind of not like, I hold meme coins. I have some meme coins. I'm not going to say I don't, but they're not my biggest. I'm going to take quality over. Kind of like taking quantity over quality. Sorry. Before we end this, Bitcoin on the dominance. It's coming down into some key support. We already know Ethereum's going to be running right now. Ethereum's going to have the dominance. You can already see that. Wow. Solana dominance is waking up right now. XRP, whatever. Other DeFi, total DeFi. Okay. Stables. Okay, cool. People are coming out of stables. This is why the dominance charts are so important, guys, because you can watch where the money's going to. It is so important. Just go up here and type in BTC DOM space DOM. It'll be right there. Market cap BTC dominance. Okay, and then you do the same for Ethereum DOM. Ethereum dominance. Okay, this stuff is very important, guys, because this is how you see. So it's what it's saying is, I know I've gone over this in multiple videos, but it's because it's important. I want you guys You know, someone might see this video and not see the others. So this is saying that Bitcoin has 57.94% dominance of the entire crypto market. Okay. Same with Ethereum, Solana. And then this is crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 coins. Okay. And then you got total DeFi dominance, the DeFi market. And it's also important to see USDT dominance, the stable coins, and USDC. Because USDT, Ethereum token, right? Stablecoin, USDC, more Solana stable token. Even though I know you can bridge and wrap and you know what I mean, but for the most part, USDT, Ethereum, USDC, Solana. Knowing where the stables, when the stables are dropping, it's because they're putting them into the whatever, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP tokens in that network. Okay, it doesn't mean it's going straight to Ethereum or straight to Solana. It means it's going to that ecosystem. Okay, that's why we're seeing. I showed you Radium, Orca, Jupiter's kind of running too. Solana, you know, decentralized exchange tokens, and then we saw where's that? Aave. We've seen Aave run like crazy for the Ethereum dominance, right? Jupiter's waking up now. Caspa's just lagging lately, man. It's tripping me out. Solana, boom. Radium's up 10% now. Fuck. Radium and Aave. I wish I would have gotten into those today. Fuck. Like, as I sit right now, I have this Solana trade. I'm looking great on it. It just broke. Oh, by the way, also just broke above here. This 186, 185 zone. So we're looking very healthy. I'm not in Ethereum. Even though I marked up the trade, well, it didn't go exactly where I wanted it to, but anyways. Oops. Okay. Bitcoin right now, my trade's actually a little bit higher up, so I know I'm in the red on that. But as I was saying, if I do just close them out because it's almost Christmas Eve and then there's nothing really going to be happening. I don't think. I could be wrong. Who knows? Maybe everyone's in the crypto community just going to get on Christmas Day and just pump the fucking markets. I mean, we can all hope Santa brings us that, but you know, we all know that Santa's not real, and I don't know. The market's just so undecisive right now. Who the fuck knows, you know? Another thing I want to show you guys, and it's not like it's some rare news or people don't know about it, but I want to point it out because I know there's a lot of people not doing it. And this is just going on GPT, making an account, making sure so it saves all your shit, make an actual account. It's totally free. You don't have to get the upgraded plan. It's completely free. And just start talking to it, okay? I'm good. I will admit the crypto. Okay, I said, hey, how's it going? Thanks for asking. No. I said, hey, how's it going? And they said, how about you? I'm good. I'll admit the crypto markets have been tough this past week, so I'm hoping it turns around this week and goes higher. Glad to hear you're doing well. I get the ups and downs of crypto. It can be stressful. You start just talking to it, right? Because if you just come in here and be like, you know, tell me about, like, sometimes they'll tell you that it can't give financial advice. So you have to speak to it a certain way with a lot of these AIs. But anyways, I start talking to it, get deeper and deeper about trading, blah, blah, blah. And I start going into, let's look at Bitcoin right now on a live market. Tell me what you think about where it's currently at. I'm honestly in a long position as of right now. If you look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, seems like a great support zone, but maybe I should have waited for a break and retest first, right? That's what I said. Goes, let's analyze Bitcoin's current market position across the 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frames. And this was like within seconds it told me this. And I mean, it's talking about starts talking about the Fed last week, talking about bullshit, gives you a link to the actual information if you want to read it. I already know what happened because I was live watching it with you guys. I had the video going. Oh, no. We did, we filmed it, but it was delayed for an hour and I had to get out. I had to leave town, so I had to end it. But we started watching it because we thought it was going to be right at 10 a.m. my time. 1 second, it's getting this going. And then I quit vaping, so a nicotine gum, and done vaping. If I can do it, you can do it too. Okay? Start talking about different things like the trend indicators, the momentum indicators like the RSI. I mean, these are things I know, right? But it's just, especially for someone new, I guess you might not know what some of these things mean, but you can literally type in and have it explain what it means. You can ask it anything you want. So, I mean, I started getting into content creation. I said, um, I was just saying that I love all these ideas. I want to get better as for you videos on YouTube. Currently, I've been doing market outlooks and I'm getting some views, but not enough at all. And not enough subscribers. I shared a lot of winning trade ideas, but unfortunately, maybe 40 people would see the videos. So it's giving me a bunch of. So, this is just something I love playing around with, but this is something that can really help you out. It doesn't matter it doesn't even matter what you're doing. It'll help you out with anything. And besides chat GPT, you can literally just DM me, leave a comment. I have all my socials on my bio on my YouTube. You can find me on any of them, message me, just put something in the comment, I'll respond. I'm always going to respond to comments in the videos, always. I'll forever be loyal that way, okay? But if you want more in-depth, one-on-one training, how to become consistently profitable, if you're tired of your, if you're trying to day trade and you're just not getting the results, just message me. That's all. I got multiple different programs and educational programs that teach you everything. I have a solid teams of people, and just DM me. We can talk more. That's all. The other thing I really want to ask you guys, please subscribe, like, follow, comment, all that across all my socials. I know on TikTok and Instagram, I'm going to get a lot more active. And even on YouTube, I'm going to get more active too. But another key thing is I'm just going to start creating some shorts and still do these long videos that actually have all the bread and butter information of what's going on. But I know that I need to start doing the actual training on here on YouTube, the boot camp style where it's like, breaking down everything about trading. And that's going to be for free on YouTube on my channel. I'm going to do that because, for one, I truly believe when you help others, good things come in your life. But it's also one of the, everyone loves making money, right? Don't get me wrong. But another great thing besides that is also just helping people and helping people get the same results in trading or whatever you're trying to go for. And that's why I want to create a whole thing around financial education as a whole, even if it's like starting an LLC and starting a business, to business credit and funding, really reshaping the way you think about money and just, shit, life in general on a whole nother level. Through the company I'm in that taught me how to trade, through this whole process, man, like I was just talking to my mentor yesterday about how crazy it is how, 3 years ago or whatever, when I got into this and started, I remember getting frustrated, and I mean, I'd be jealous at some of the educators that were, obviously consistent and profitable. And I would just constantly think about, like, how long is it going to take me? When's my moment going to be? But I didn't let that detour me. I never thought, like, I need to just give it up, or I got too frustrated, I lost money, I'm going to give it up. I never did that. I've always been someone that if I set my mind onto it, I won't stop. I will not stop until I get the results or get the thing that I want, because I set my mind to it, right? And that's how it was with trading and investing. Before really diving deep into investing, I was in the last bull run. I totally believed what crypto could do. I got my first Bitcoin in 2017 at like 6, 7 grand or something. And I mean, that's why this bear market 2 years ago in 2022, I was buying Solana at $10 to $20 as much as I could, and Bitcoin at 18,000 to 20,000, because I knew what it would do. I've never doubted crypto. All these people that want to start waiting to buy after it's 100K for Bitcoin and stuff, like, sure, yeah, I just bought Bitcoin last night, long term, not day trading, but just long term. I just bought Bitcoin last night, because I know what it's gonna do. So I just really want people to also see the same thing that I see. So, um, with that being said, I'm gonna end this and get this uploaded to you guys. Have a good day. Peace out.